Hi everyone, my name is Deyaniracavazos and I am an LPC-associate from the state of Texas. Welcome back to my channel. The sun has come out today. We have had so many gloomy days here in South Texas, and for those of you who are new to my channel, I own my own online private practice as a pre-licensed clinician here in Texas. And so today is the kind of day where I am going to be organizing my life, resetting, if you will. Like, I have to reorganize some things because I've had a couple of busy months. If you can even see right here, this is my content calendar. Yeah, that has not been filled out, and I really just want to reorganize things, and I needed that to not be filled out for a while. Something that I've learned in my own personal life and that I don't do is guilt myself because something kind of went on the back burner while other things were prioritized. That is just life, and because my clients and my own self-care was prioritized during these busy seasons, which I did not expect. You know, the October to December being a busy season for me, that's not what I encountered working for someone else's private practice about a year ago before I launched my practice. So this was new, you know, and I was navigating that, and so time to just reorganize, reset things, and I thought I would bring you all along for that. And so my lunch alarm has actually gone off already. Yes, I do set alarms to remind myself to eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's something that I have found very helpful for the past 2 years, and I made the mistake of thinking it was fine to get rid of it. It would mess with my appointments on my Google Calendar, which would then mess with Calendly, where I schedule my consultations. So what I ended up doing was, you know, kind of stopping. I thought I was fine, and I was quickly reminded that no, these are systems that I need to have in place for the rest of my life, and that's okay. For those of you who don't know, I have PCOS, so it's really important for me to prioritize my sleeping and my eating, and all of these things go hand in hand, right? Our mental health and our physical health. And so that is one way that I stay on top of it, so my mind and body can relax. I have my reminder set, and when it goes off, it's time to cook or to eat. And so because it's gone off already, I just came back from the gym. I ended up working out for 30 minutes, so I walked on the treadmill, and right now I'm gonna go ahead and eat some food that I ended up meal prepping on the weekend, because I've been trying to just reorganize my life for a couple of days, and this weekend was rough because life just throws things at you sometimes that you didn't have planned. And I wanted to film this because sometimes life just happens, and it's okay to just restart and initiate whenever you need to, whether that be in the middle of the day or in the middle of the week. Right now it is 12:48, almost 1 p.m. on a Monday, and so I had a late start to my day. I personally don't like that. It doesn't feel good to me, but it's going to feel worse if I'm very hard on myself, so we're not going to do that. So I'm trying to monitor my own self-talk right now, and let's first prioritize having lunch, having some food so I can think clearly, and then we'll go ahead and make a list of the things that I need to do. Also, if you're new, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love it if you would join the Keep on Growing community. I share tips for other pre-licensed clinicians and grad students, and I also have some moments where I share my lifestyle to normalize that we deserve to have a life that is balanced and feels good for our own wellness and care. In saying that, now it's time to go ahead and go grab my lunch. So this is lunch right here, some brown rice, and then I ended up meal prepping these enchiladas.
Saw her at the terminal with the sign close and personal. To see your face light up, ooh, she's a lightning mood. Structure, I'm not careful, oh boy, wind out, chasing out the summers from the city to Chattanooga. Don't you stir the thunder. got high. On and now we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Butterflies, I'm turning gold. Got me spinning around like vertigo. How could I feel so certain, yeah, so ambivalent when it's time with you? It's so innocent. Blue sky on the back of a Pegasus. Got a winkle going nuts with the lavender. Supernovas blow up, gotta get a hose up, even if I host up. Don't let me steal your thunder. Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. Don't say you was fine. On and now we gotta keep it up. Walk into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and denim from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Alright. Your sudden gaze and time, it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Hi everyone, so I am done cleaning and organizing. It feels so good. I'm so tired now, so I'm gonna go ahead and have a snack that I made, and I'm going to take like about a 30 to 45 minute break and just decompress. I'm also currently buddy reading this book with my younger sister just for fun as like a recreational self-care activity. It's a fantasy book and I'm really loving it so far, and there's a sequel, so I'm just really excited to read for a little bit, have a snack, and just relax. And then I'm probably going to go ahead and do a little bit of treatment planning and just also planning out things for my future launch that I'm going to be doing online for some digital downloads on my website. So I want to sit down and really plan that out.
¿Qué? ¿Por qué tanta prisa? Queremos saber cuánto tiempo se tarda en arreglar un vehículo de esto, porque nuestro evento empieza.
Maybe I'm overreacting to this whole thing. Being too dramatic, overthinking. Getting myself worked up over nothing. But baby, you said it's over, but cry on my shoulder. And it mattered, but I'm still thinking of you on the car ride home.
Hi everyone. everyone. So today is a new day and I thought I would go ahead and hop on here and end the video for you all. And actually by the time you watch this video, it's probably already going to be inching toward the new year. So I want to wish you all such a happy and restful new year. I hope that you're able to take some time to take care of yourself. Thank you so much for an incredible year here on my channel, for helping me build this really special community. I was actually looking at my demographics and I saw that some of you are even 18 years old watching my videos, so probably getting ready to graduate and possibly pursuing a similar career field. There are some of you who are currently pursuing your bachelor's, you're in grad school, or you're post-grad and you're already in the career field. And I love that there's so many of us from different career fields here as well. And I appreciate that so much because I love watching other people's vlogs even if we're in different career fields. So thank you so much for choosing to spend your time here. I really appreciate it. I cannot wait for the new year and the videos that I have planned to share with you all. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Take care, and I will go ahead and see you in 2023. Bye.